Hello everyone, I am Kat. Welcome back to my channel. You have arrived. For today's video, I have my special guest back again, the Denman Brush. And I'm really excited because today I'm going to be using the Denman Brush to detangle. And I've had the Denman Brush for not quite a year yet, and I've never ever used it to detangle my curls. So I'm very excited to jump into this and try it out today and see how well it works on my hair. So if you are interested in seeing how the Denman Brush works on my curls for detangling, stick around with me, don't go anywhere, and keep watching. Okay, now these curls that I have on my head, they've literally been kind of going up and down from this bun for a good like past 3-4 days. And even before that, I think I've gone almost a good week with these curls. So what I'm going to do as best I can, I'm going to split my hair down the middle-ish. You'd think I'd be a little better at figuring this out. I'm gonna go ahead and get one side out of the way. So I'll go back to my Satin Scrunchie here. On this side, I'm going to just be using water, nothing else, no detangler, no leave-in conditioner, just water to try to get the knots out. On this side, I'm actually going to add in a leave-in conditioner, and I'm using my leave-in conditioner from Curls. It is from their Blueberry Bliss line. It's the reparative leave-in conditioner. So we'll see how the Denman Brush holds up with having no assistance and maybe needing a little bit of assistance. Let's do it. Okay, I have to stop. I'm so used to like finger detangling. I want to like start running my fingers through it. I'm gonna start with this bottom portion down here. And I think, you know what? Oh, I don't want to split it up too much. Oh, okay, that was easy. Denman Brush. Another very important tip with the Denman Brush is you're not supposed to detangle horizontally. So you don't want to go through your curls like this. Yes, it's possible, and I've seen people do it, but they say that you're supposed to go vertically. But I've never done it, so I'm gonna give it a shot with the vertical first, and we'll see how things go if I gotta flip it. Well, let's give it a try. So vertical first, here we go. And when you're detangling, you want to start from the bottom and work your way up. Let's do that. Here we go. Oh, I had a feeling I'm like, was my hair not buried? Oh, no, I feel that going through. Hear that beautiful sound? Oh! Ow! Then just give it, I guess, a little brush through like that. Wow! That was super easy. Let's keep going. Let's try like a big clump. Big, huge clump right here. Let's give it a shot. I mean, I can feel it going through some knots, but that was really easy. Wow, that was really easy. Now I'm just gonna flip it this way to give it a couple brushes. Oh, I kind of brushed my forehead. Ow. Huh. Wow. That was really easy. Let's do this side. Ow. I mean, this was really easy as well. As you can see, I went ahead and finished the rest of my day. I did a wash, I did a style, all that good stuff, and I will have all those details in the description box below, but that's not what this video is about. It's about the Denman brush and detangling with it. Right, after all this time of not using the Denman brush to detangle and finally using it, I have to say it worked fantastic. I was very happy with my results. It was super quick, it was so easy and simple, pretty painless. You know, I felt a couple knots in there, but I wasn't tearing hair out of my scalp, so that's a plus. And I definitely encourage those of you, if you really like to have a tool to use to detangle your curls, pick up that Denman brush. It was fantastic. So remember that name, Denman. I will link, I did get mine on Amazon, so I will link that down below where I got mine, so you can check that out if you're interested in picking this bad boy up. And also, I love the Denman brush to style. I did not style with it today, but when I do, oh my gosh, my results are amazing. And if you would like to check out those results, I did link down below in the description box a couple of my Denman brush videos. So check those out if you would like to. And that's it. So thank you for hanging out with me and checking out my detangling with the Denman brush video. And all of my curl friends and my makeup lovers, I hope you guys come back next Monday and join me for another video. Thanks again for watching and take care. Remember that name, don't forget it, right there. Oh, 3 times, it's a charm. So with the Denman brush.